All right, everyone, here we go. Inside of this enclosure, right next to us on the right side, you can see our red kangaroos over there. That includes Rudolph, and Roxy. They are the world's largest marsupial, native to Australia. And then we have our alligators that live right next to them. It might be hard to see them right now since they like to be under the water, but in there we've got Big Al. Big Al is over 1,000 pounds and he lives with his lady friends. Alrighty, everyone, we are going to move on to our next stop. We've got a lot of land to cover and we have a lot more animals out here to see.
There's a lot more, don't worry. But you have to feed an ostrich because I want to see if you're scared of them.
So today is Blayne's birthday and Frank's birthday. This is what we're doing. And the kiddos are all getting to feed the animals.
Liam, look.
Ostrich.
Look, y'all. Ostriches.
Right over here you can see the largest bird in the world, the ostrich, and right next to that ostrich, of course, hills here at this zoo are rescues.
Here comes another one.
You don't want to feed it? Why? Don't you want it to?
Oh, here we go.
Oh,
it's going down.
Alright, I'm going to try to scoot up a little bit, y'all.
Here comes another deer, Harper.
Here comes the ostrich. Liam, do you want to feed them?
Blayne, that deer over there, I think.
Here, I'm going to feed them.
Yeah, but so does this ostrich.
Look at this ostrich.
You want to stand up and look at him?
What's he saying? Food for me?
Here you go.
Alright, seems like the ostrich is a little hesitant to eat from the bucket, so I think it'll be best if we just leave some food. And this one here is one of the females.
Oh, sneezed on him.
What's interesting about the nilgai is that they all are born this brownish color that you see right here. So the males and the females are all born the same color, but the males...
We're at the Bayou Wildlife Zoo in Alvin.
Yeah. Okay.
We're going to do some more feeding here.
See if he walks up to us.
Ooh. Oh, we got one right here.
It's okay, do He doesn't like your food. Oh, you're so tough.
You want to feed the ostrich? Here, let's see if he'll come up to your bowl. Don't throw it, see if he'll come up. Look, you're fine. Oh, look, he's gonna eat out of her bowl. Right, here, put your hand like this. Alright, throw it to the baby. Throw it to the baby.
No, you got me now.
Say hi. Say hi.
Walking up to the right side is one of the Père David deer.
Emu.
The Père David are from China. And fun fact about them is that they do not have any sweat glands, so they are not able to sweat like us. That's why some of the time you'll see they're covered in mud. That mud helps them to stay cool and regulate their body temperature.
Stop looking at me. I'm not gonna give you no food.
Look, Taryn, here comes the deer. Taryn, behind you. Hold it out. I think he'll come. Little pellets. In with the pellets, out goes the pellets. Positively.
All right, we've got some more. All right, yeah, we are going to have to say goodbye to Miss
Bye, Betsy.
and head over towards our back pasture where we'll be able to see our buffalo here very soon. We'll be able to see another red kangaroo inside of this enclosure. He's in the corner over
There's a
here.
kangaroo.
He's trying to pull down in the shade. That
Scratching
is Joey right there. Joey is
he's blessed.
kangaroo at the zoo. He was born and raised here over 10 years ago. In the wild, kangaroos typically live around in the water, or they like to completely cover themselves in mud. Now, they can create mud pits in the ground by using their horns, just like a shovel. Over here at the green barn, you can see the American bison. The bison are the largest mammal in all of North America.
Really?
Look, a
We
camel,
also
guys.
have Igor, our camel. He's laying down in the shade right there.
Look behind you,
Igor
Harper.
is a dromedary camel, which means he has one single hump. Inside of his hump, he stores all of his nutrients, and he can travel up to 200 miles without stopping.
Oh.
And once again, feel free to toss some food out to Igor.
I see you.
So with these larger animals, to feed them from
There
the
you go.
bucket,
Shake
it
it hard.
helps them if you tilt the bucket upwards towards their mouth.
Honey. Oh. You need to use your whole like from.
He just likes food, huh?
He's clearing out every bucket. He said, yeah, I'm gonna have these.
Now from what I can see, I am not too sure if there will be any more.
Wait, well, I have other stuff, but I don't have any more of those. I got to do the cow, so I'm happy. I'm happy for a long
Squeeze in
time.
real quick.
Sure.
Look, Dad. You see the little baby fish?
Oh,
Look at this.
Oh, okay. And away he goes.
Walking back and forth.
Is there a bear?
That's another lemur.
The hill is a mountain.
No, they got shade.
Do you know what you call a bunch of lemurs? They're called a bunch of lemurs.
Monkeys.
Can I go see the monkeys?
Isn't that sad they have to say that?
Fox laying in there,
How can I get?
probably suffering from heat stroke. No, it's a fox.
Do you see it?
It's all about the timing. Prairie dog. Oh, it's a donkey.
Let's go. You want to go inside of the petting zoo, Liam? Let's go. This way. This way. Follow me, Bubba. Come on.
Alpacas. They like to spit. We'll stay away from him. Oh, little lamb. So if y'all are ever looking for something to do to bring small kids, this is a good option. It's a zoo in Alvin, and got lots of animals, and family had a really good time. Fun had by all. That's it. I think we're in a swamp here, Kayla.